Hey everyone, it's Professor Clark, and this is our last lecture for Chapter 1. Woohoo! We have made it all the way through Chapter 1, and so now you can start actually speaking a little Russian. Maybe not a lot of Russian, but you know a little Russian, you can have tiny conversations now. And we are going to finish off with the present tense of the verb to be. If you have studied a Romance language, you're probably like white-knuckling it, grasping your seat with both hands, going, oh God, oh God, oh God. But don't fear, in Russian, unusually enough, it's much, much easier. So the verb to be in Russian is быть. But the exciting thing is that Russian does not use the present tense of the verb to be. There is no I am, you are, she is in Russian. You just completely leave the verb out. You don't use a verb at all to say am, is, or are in Russian. So if you want to say, I am an American, you could say, Я американка, literally, I American. Or I am English, Я англичанин, literally, I English. Sometimes, as you can see from these examples, you would put a dash where the present tense of the verb to be would be in English. So, for example, New York, американский город. New York is an American city. And so that's it. We're kind of ending on something super easy. You just don't do it at all. It's really exciting. And so give yourself a big pat on the back for finishing Chapter 1. I'm sure it was full of just tons of information, which I hope was really exciting and interesting and useful for you, and not too overwhelming and scary. A little overwhelming and scary is good because that's where the learning happens. So hopefully it was just the right amount of overwhelming and scary, and you are ready to move on to Chapter 2.